So a common question that we get as surgeons is how do we actually perform a sleeve gastrectomy and why would anyone want to do this robotically and what are the advantages of that? Well, I'm going to show you. So this is actually a robotic stapler that we use to help us perform a sleeve gastrectomy, and it's a pretty amazing tool and I'm going to tell you why. First off, it has an amazing degree of what we call articulation. So when I'm actually in surgery, this arm not only rotates 360 degrees, but it also can pivot at about 120 degrees. So I control this and I can go in and place the stapler exactly where I need to go. To give you guys an idea of what we do during a sleeve gastrectomy, well, this is what a normal stomach kind of looks like. And if you see here, this part that's X'd out is a part of the stomach that's actually removed during a robotic sleeve gastrectomy. So what we do as a surgeon is we go in and this stapler goes in and it lines up and it not only holds pressure, seals, and it also cuts and separates the stomach. So if you ever want to know what the staples look like and what the sleeve gastrectomy looks like, well, here it is. If you look carefully, you see these very small titanium staples, and these staples go in, they seal the stomach, and there's actually a blade that goes through that then separates the stomach, allowing us to do surgery. And I think it's a pretty amazing tool. And what's special about this is that not only does it articulate and move similar to what a wrist does, but the cool thing about this is it actually has sensors in it, and about 1,200 times a second, it actually goes in and it senses how thick the tissue is, and it helps guide the surgeon to pick the right staple cartridge and holds enough pressure to perform a safe surgery so you have a good seal with less bleeding. And overall, it's a pretty neat tool, and I think it helps a lot with surgery. So this is what the staple cartridge looks like, and here are the staples that are left behind. Very, very small, pretty amazing technology, and I think it's kind of neat.